How to maximize your rental income in Dubai. In today's world, where real estate investment is one of the most attractive and stable ways to make money, Dubai stands out as one of the most promising destinations. This article aims to introduce the topic, how to earn rental income from real estate in Dubai. We will discuss Dubai's attractiveness to investors, rental market analysis, key factors in choosing a property, investment planning and rental property management. Why Dubai? Dubai is where global standards meet Oriental hospitality. Known for its impressive skyscrapers, luxury hotels and rich culture, this city attracts millions of tourists every year. But it is not only a tourist paradise. It is also a place with huge potential for real estate investors. Stable economy. Dubai is one of the most stable and fastest-growing economic centers in the world. This provides safety and security for investors. High rental demand. Due to its status as an international business center and tourist hub, the demand for rentals in Dubai is always high. Attractive profitability. Compared to other global cities, Dubai offers high rental profitability. Positive legislation. Dubai offers an attractive environment for foreign investors by allowing them to own real estate on 100%. This makes the process of buying and renting real estate easier and more direct. Safety. Dubai is one of the safest cities in the world, making it an attractive place to live and do business. Taxes benefits. Not in Dubai, taxes on rental income, which increases investor returns. High quality of life. The quality of life in Dubai is at a high level due to its excellent infrastructure, high-quality educational and healthcare facilities, and rich cultural and entertainment content. All these factors make Dubai a great choice for investments in rental real estate. Rental market in Dubai. The rental market in Dubai is one of the most dynamic and fastest-growing in the world, attracting investors from all over the world with its high yields and stability. According to recent reports, the average rental yield in Dubai is around 7%, which is significantly higher than in many other major cities around the world. However, like any other market, the rental market in Dubai has its own peculiarities. It is important to know that the Dubai government actively regulates the rental market by setting annual rent indices to control price changes and protect the rights of tenants and owners. Dubai has a wide range of properties for rent, from luxury villas with sea views to stylish apartments in the heart of the city. This means that investors can choose from a variety of options depending on their budget, goals and preferences. In addition, Dubai is constantly evolving and expanding, with new construction constantly underway, residential complexes and shopping centers. This creates many new opportunities for investors and promises continued rental market growth in the future. Finally, it is worth noting that Dubai is a city with a high standard of living and quality of service. This attracts many foreign professionals and businessmen who are looking for comfortable and convenient accommodation for rent. This provides a stable demand for rentals and high profitability for investors. How to choose the right rental property. Choosing the right rental accommodation in Dubai is the key to a successful investments. Here are some factors to consider. Location. This is probably the most important factor. Housing in the city center or near tourist attractions will attract more tenants. Property type. Apartments, villas, townhouses are all popular options for renting. Your choice should depend on your investment strategy and target audience. Condition of the property. Properties in good condition attract more tenants and allow you to charge higher rents. Proximity to amenities. Properties near public transportation, shopping, restaurants and other amenities will be more attractive to renters. Value growth potential. Certain neighborhoods and property types may offer greater potential for long-term value growth. Research historical data and future development plans for the neighborhood to make an informed choice. Size and layout. The size and layout of a property can have a significant impact on its attractiveness to tenants. For example, having an extra bathroom or balcony can make your property more competitive. Level of service in the building or complex. Properties in high-maintenance buildings or complexes, e.g., with a pool, gym, security, etc., may attract more tenants and allow you to charge higher rents. Rules and restrictions. Make sure you are familiar with any rules and restrictions that may be associated with renting a property in your chosen building or complex. For example, some complexes may prohibit pets or short-term rentals. And remember, when choosing a rental property, it's always important to think about your potential tenants and their needs. Investment planning. Lease investment planning. Real estate in Dubai is a key step to success. This process requires deliberation and strategic thinking. Here are some strategies and tips to help you maximize your rental income. Market research. Understanding current market trends. Rental prices and tenant preferences is important information to help you make an informed decision. Use available data sources such as real estate agency reports, government statistics, and real estate market news. Financial planning. Determine your budget and consider all possible expenses, including purchase price, taxes, insurance, and property maintenance. It is also important to consider possible changes in the economic situation and their impact on your rental income. Portfolio diversification. Spreading your investments across different property types and neighborhoods can help reduce risk and increase returns. For example, you can invest in residential property in one neighborhood and commercial property in another. Long-term planning. Renting real estate is a long-term business that can generate stable income for many years. Plan your investment with a long-term perspective and possible changes in market conditions in mind. Consultations with experts. Investing in real estate is a complex process that requires knowledge of finance, law, and the real estate market. Do not hesitate to consult experts or hire a professional investment consultant. Leasehold property management. Rental property management is another important aspect that can greatly affect the return on your investment. Effective management includes everything from finding reliable tenants and collecting rent to maintaining and repairing the property. It is important to realize that property management is a time-consuming process that requires knowledge and experience. This is why many investors prefer to hire professional property managers who can take care of the entire process for them. Keep in mind that reliable choice and professional property manager can be the key to a successful and profitable rental property in Dubai. Professional property managers typically provide a wide range of services, including advertising your property to attract tenants, conducting inspections and interviews with prospective tenants, collecting and processing rental payments, solving maintenance and repair problems, representing your interests in the event of legal disputes or problems. Choosing a reliable and experienced property manager can make your life much easier and help you maximize the return on your investment in rental properties in Dubai. When you invest in rental properties in Dubai, you open the door to a world of sustainable and profitable income. However, like any other investment, it requires careful planning, analysis, and management. Consider the factors we have discussed in this article: the attractiveness of Dubai to investors, the current state of the rental market, key factors when choosing a property, investment planning strategies, and the importance of effective rental property management.